And welcome back to this week's edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. My sincerest apologies for missing last week. Had some things come up and was not able to get the video done. This week I do have 5 new cars for you to make it up to you. You have not seen these before. They're relatively new, low mileage, and extremely fairly priced. So be sure to take a look at those as well as all the other vehicles on our website. Check out the new White Island Premier Club. It's a new program that we're doing. All of our customers' new used service. You're going to have extra benefits here at our dealership, and it definitely does help out and gives you a reason to want to come see us. So with all that being said, let's get into these cars. First up here, we have a 2023 BMW X5. It's got 69,353 miles on it. All the premium features you could possibly imagine. Black interior, including navigation, Bluetooth, backup camera, and blind spot. Plenty of other safety features. Clean Carfax, one owner, retailing for $30,900. Next up is a 2020 Infiniti QX50 Lux. It's got 37,804 miles on it. Gray interior, all-wheel drive, getting 22 and 30 miles per gallon still. That's fantastic. It's got a power moonroof, Bluetooth, backup camera, blind spot, and a clean Carfax. It is as clean as it looks on this video, and it's retailing for $21,900. Next up is a 2023 Honda HR-V Sport Edition. It's got 24,586 miles on it. Black interior, all-wheel drive, getting 25-30 miles per gallon. Heated seats, Bluetooth, backup camera, blind spot. Only one owner on this beautiful vehicle, and it's retailing for $26,200. And right now, we are looking at a 2025 Kia Sportage EX. It's got 18,205 miles on it. Black interior, 25-32 miles per gallon. Navigation, Apple CarPlay, heated and powered seats, all the safety features you can imagine. Clean Carfax, one owner, retailing for $24,900. Excuse that, gentlemen. $24,900. The last one we're looking at here is a 2024 Toyota RAV4 XLE. It's got 29,125 miles on it. Gray interior, 27 and 35 miles per gallon. 1 second. Bluetooth, backup camera, blind spot, dual zone AC, only one owner. It's retailing for $28,900. Thank you very much for watching this week's edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. As always, and throughout this whole series, I appreciate all the support, likes, the shares. This will be my last Friday 5. The series will go on. It's being passed down to one of our new sales consultants, Alex. He's a wonderful dude, super nice, charismatic, great with the video camera, so it will not fall off one bit. I appreciate all you guys watching, and as always, check out the website for all of our new and used cars, new specials. Used cars are extremely fairly priced, so be sure to check those out and come out and see us. I hope you guys all have a great Halloween, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.